Namaste. My name is JVN Rishi Gautam from Department of Journalism. आज हम बात करेंगे मार्केटिंग की, क्योंकि मीडिया, एडवर्टाइजिंग और मार्केटिंग ये तीनों एक दूसरे से जुड़े हुए हैं। तो इन तीनों को समझने से पहले, इन तीनों को एक साथ समझने से पहले हम इन तीनों को अलग अलग ढंग से, अलग अलग करके समझ लेते हैं कि मार्केटिंग क्या होता है, विज्ञापन क्या होता है और मीडिया क्या होता है। ये तो हमें पता ही है। तो आइए अभी हम बात करते हैं कि व्हाट इज़ मार्केटिंग। मार्केटिंग क्या है? मार्केटिंग इज़ profitable using the results of studying short-term and long-term needs of those who can pay for a one-time or in most cases a steady flow of service or product placement. In 2017, the New York Times described it as the art of telling stories so enthralling that people lost track of their wallets. It is one of the primary components of business management and commerce. Marketers can direct their product to other businesses or directly to consumers, regardless of who is being marketed to. Several factors apply, including the perspective and marketers will use. Known as market orientations, they determine how markets will approach the planning stage of marketing. The marketing mix, which outlines the specifics of the product and how it will be sold, is affected by the environment surrounding the product, the results of marketing research and market research, and the characteristics of the product's target market. Once these factors are determined, marketers must then decide what methods will be used to promote the product, including use of coupons and other price inducements. The term marketing, what is commonly known as attracting customers, incorporates knowledge gained by studying the management of exchanging relationships and in the business process of identifying, anticipating and satisfying customers' needs and wants. अब अगर हम मार्केटिंग के डिफिनेशन की बात करें तो मार्केटिंग के डिफिनेशन में कहा गया है कि मार्केटिंग इज डिफाइंड बाय द अमेरिकन मार्केटिंग एसोसिएशन एज द एक्टिविटी सेट ऑफ इंस्टीट्यूशंस एंड प्रोसेसेस फॉर क्रिएटिंग, communicating, delivering, and exchanging offerings that have value for customers, clients, partners, and society at large. The term developed from the original meaning, which referred literally to going to market with goods for sale. From a sales process engineering perspective, marketing is a set of processes that are interconnected and interdependent with other functions of a business aimed at achieving customer interest and satisfaction. Philip Kotler defined marketing as satisfying needs and wants through an exchange process, and a decade later defines it as a social and managerial process by which individuals and groups obtain what they want and need through creating, offering, and exchanging products of value with others. The Chartered Institute of Marketing defines marketing as the management process responsible for identifying, anticipating, and satisfying customers' requirements profitably. A similar concept is the value-based marketing, which states the role of marketing to contribute the increasing shareholder value. In this context, marketing can be defined as the management process that seeks to maximize returns to shareholders by developing relationships with valued customers and creating a competitive advantage. In the past, marketing practice tended to be seen as a creative industry, which includes advertising, distribution, and selling. However, because the academic study of marketing makes extensive use of social sciences, psychology, sociology, mathematics, economics, anthropology, and neuroscience, the profession is now widely recognized as a science, allowing numerous universities to offer Master of Science programs. The process of marketing is that of bringing a product to market, which includes these steps: broad market research, market targeting, and market segmentation, determining distribution, pricing, and promotion strategies,